Jonathan, and today I'll be trying out GreenTeaOS for the very first time. So this operating system is quite interesting as it used to be based off ReactOS, but now it's based on its own because they don't want to use Wine anymore. They want to be able to allow the end user to run Windows applications natively, so we have better performance and better applications, support as well, so it should just be able to load up without any issues, whereas Wine might have issues or might have some bugs, whereas if it does run natively, that means it should be able to load up without any problems at all. So this is quite a new project that's been pretty much been worked on for a while. If you guys want to try it yourself, I'll just leave a download link down in the description. I'll leave their website as well, which is a GitHub webpage, but it's very good. I like it a lot. And this is my first time ever using GreenTeaOS. But to download it, all you need to do is click on this get button over there, and now click onto this ISO image, and it should basically start downloading this ISO. But if you're installing this within the 30 box, what you guys need to do is that you guys need to enable EFI, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, click on the settings, go into the system, and make sure you have extended features, and make sure you have enable EFI enabled. If you don't have it enabled, then it may cause problems or it may not boot up at all. So now select OK, and now if I click on the start, it should now basically boot me up to the system. As you guys can see, I'm now booted up to the operating system. So over here is some applications you guys should be able to try out. You guys can also get a recycle bin. But let me click onto files. So this is meant to be like a file manager. It's incomplete right now, as you guys can see. I can't really do anything within it, and you guys can't even open up any applications within it. But it's still in development, and I think they're just working on the design right now. But as it says over here, this is not a final design, so they're currently still working on it. So they close out of it, and this is still in beta, by the way. It's still beta software, so that's why it's going to cause some problems and not recommended to install or use as a daily driver. Okay, now we click onto this text document just to read it. Associated app is not defined for that text file. Feature may be incomplete. Okay, let me close out of that. Try to open up that one. Okay, that one also has issues. What about this one? Okay, this one doesn't have issues. It's some sort of art style. That's pretty cool. Let me click onto recycle bin. It's not working. Why is that? Okay, feature may be incomplete. Okay, I think you guys can open up the leaves.png, and it just shows a picture of leaves. So that's pretty cool. Then I click on the spider.exe, and just hopefully it does something. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything. I don't know why, but it's not really doing anything within the actual within the application. So this seems a bit odd. But I think it's still being worked on, and I can't even close out this window. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize it. Okay, so let me try to open up to this application, which is, I think is the same thing, but this is 64-bit version instead, and this one is 32-bit version, isn't it? Actually, they're both close out of that. Let me try to open up that one again. Yeah, that one is 32-bit version on this art screen, and this one is 64-bit version, so that's pretty cool. Over there's command prompt, which is the terminal. Over here is mspaint.exe. If I try to open it, it does not work. Okay, let me try to open up wapp.exe. That one doesn't work either. Let me try to open up the calculator. Does it work? I don't know, it's not launching. Let me click onto new folder. Okay, so can I create a new folder? No, I can't. Okay, cool. Let me try to open up to wapp.exe. That one doesn't work either. What about cards.dll? That doesn't work. What about new folder? Leaves.png. Okay, that one is not really functioning that well. What about apps 32-bit? That one's not working. What about Firefox installer? Has compatibility issues. Press for more information. Let me click onto Notepad. Does that one work? Can I see a pop-up for it? This doesn't seem like it is working. Okay, let me try to open up this one. This one is not working either. Open up this one is not working. What about this one? Okay, this one does work. It just shows up for a minute. And the image viewer. Let me try to click onto this one as well, which should basically play up that mind game. Okay, that one doesn't work here as well. Let me try to open up this application then. Okay, that one doesn't work. What about README? No, I can't even read text files. What a shame. Oh wait, this is the same thing as I had previously. I don't know why I had to have like 3 of them. But yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna close out of this. I can't close out of it. I think it's messed up right now. But if here, it does seem like a little bit quite similar to Windows. We'll just click over there, then from here, you guys should be able to see, hello dear user. Okay, we can't really do anything with it though. What is this button meant to do? Start downloads, okay. What about this one? This one is start gallery. What about this one? Start home feature, okay. This is settings, isn't it? Okay, cool. And this allows you to shut down the system if you wanted to, which is incomplete right now. Okay, and then from here we'll be able to open up some applications like you would do with Windows. So that's pretty cool. And then from over here we'll be able to search stuff up, but that search functionality is not working. And this shows up some applications and suggestions. And over here we'll be able to search again if you wanted to from here. If I click over that, it shows up the network icon as well as a volume. And if from over here, we should be able to connect to the network as well, being able to change the volume. And if it shows up the time, and I do believe this will just basically, if I open up, which one works? Let me try to open up. Hold on, I've got this timer on the way. Okay, here it is. If I click on this button, it should now minimize everything. So I can obviously bring it back, and then if I click on there again, it just minimizes everything. So functionality is very similar to Windows. We guys can't do a right click, and we can't really change anything within it. But it's still in development, and all they really have done was designed how it's going to look and how it's going to function. But over time, they will actually add in for functionality, and they will try to make it better than Windows, or at least that's their end goal, is to be able to get people to be able to run Windows games and applications natively working in GreenTeaOS, which is what makes it different than ReactOS, what it used to be based off. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.